In this video, I'll show you how to create a temporary Gmail account and password in less than 5 minutes. This is really useful when you want to register on a website, download something, or access an online service without using your personal email address. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Gmailnator and hit Enter. You'll see several results, and Gmailnator is one of the most popular tools for generating temporary Gmail addresses. It helps you avoid spam and keeps your main inbox clean from unnecessary emails. This can be especially helpful if you often sign up for websites, free trials, or online promotions. Once you find the Gmailnator website, click on it to open the platform. The website is very simple to use and doesn't require any registration or personal information. As soon as the page loads, a temporary Gmail address will automatically be created for you. This makes the process fast and convenient, since you don't have to manually create an account yourself. After the email is generated, you can easily copy it by clicking the Copy button next to the address. Then you can paste it anywhere you need during a sign-up or registration process. If you need to receive a verification code or confirmation email, simply click the Go button. This will open the inbox connected to your temporary Gmail account, where you can instantly view incoming messages. You'll be able to read emails directly from the website without switching tabs or platforms. This is perfect for receiving activation links, security codes, or temporary access emails. Overall, Gmailnator provides a fast and easy way to create temporary Gmail accounts without the trouble of setting up a permanent email address. It's a great option for one-time registrations, newsletters, free trials, or downloading online content while protecting your personal inbox from spam and unwanted messages. Hopefully this tutorial helped you, and now you can manage your online signups more efficiently and securely.